Today we're gonna make the ultimate pumpkin spice latte. The ultimate pumpkin spice latte should be made with real pumpkins. It requires a whole process called saccharification. Not like saccharification. Sacrifices? It's when you take starch and turn it into sugar, basically. You do that anytime you make alcohol or booze or whiskey, anything like that. It's a process that's really common. We did the same process with pumpkins. So you take the pumpkin puree, you cook the pumpkin, open up the starch, add amylase, slacks it out, and turns it into like a pumpkin sugar. It's really, really yummy. Then we would centrifuge it at like 30,000 Gs, and you'd have this really, really amazing pumpkin syrup. But that's a long process and it requires a super expensive centrifuge. Nick has spent the last few weeks redeveloping the entire thing so you can make it at home. And all you need is like a juicer.
Plus it's gonna look beautiful because pumpkin spice lattes are just covered with whipped cream. It's like dull in color. These are gonna be vibrant orange, kind of yellow, looking like a pumpkin, tasting like a pumpkin.
It tastes better than pumpkins. It does. It's really simple. What's the whole process?
Juice it, cook it, season it, make it.
It's really easy.
Pop top.
As a little kid, I would do this with apples, you know, and do like an apple peel tart. Look how cute it is though. And you can put on a garnish on your pumpkin spice latte. So what do I do?
Do you want to be the
Do we need the pot anymore?
Do you want to be the juicer? Yeah, we gotta cook it.
Are we still cooking it?
We're cooking it.
Are you sure? I thought we liked it raw.
Let's juice!
That's scary down there.
There you go. Got our juice. The pumpkin juice in itself, you don't necessarily want to judge it because it might be a little bit, might taste a little bit of green or tannic, but once you add the milk into it with a latte, it's going to drastically change the flavor.
Very starchy flavor.
Let's cook it.
Let's cook it.
Okay, so as you heat it up, stir it.
Well, there's all this starch in the juice and it's gonna hydrate and thicken. Like anything, if you just cook it too long, you're just gonna get duller color. So we just shock it and then we're gonna season it. You want a smaller sieve?
Yeah, you got one?
Nick, I'm cooking with you.
Backseat juice in the thing. Heckling me.
This is one of these things where every squash, pumpkin, whatever you juice is a little bit different in, say, ripeness. Nick's gonna obviously have like a dialed in recipe on ChefSteps.com, but this part's kind of seasoning to taste. So add a little sugar, dissolve it in. Probably want 2 of those or something. A little bit of salt. We're not making it salty. This is very, very little salt, but the salt just brings up the pumpkin flavor again.
Feeling it?
Yeah.
It's a great texture too.
I want it just a little bit sweeter. Look how easy it was. Juice the pumpkin, cook the juice, sugar, salt to taste. In our mocha pot video, we talk about how to make like a latte without an espresso machine. Like you have a mocha pot, French press for milk. Okay, easy peasy. Hot mug. We got our pumpkin juice, pumpkin syrup. I like all this spice to like float on top. The color. I'm not a barista. This is hard. Here's how you do it at home. Look, you do this. Hey, look, I made my pumpkin juice. Hey, look. Watch this one, like turns out great. It's okay if yours look like that. It's still gonna taste really good. That's ultimate pumpkin spice latte made with real pumpkins. How many pumpkin spice lattes are there out there that have a real pumpkin?
0. Except for this one.
I actually didn't do my homework on this as far as like how many people out there are making pumpkin spice lattes with real pumpkin.
Casey, did you do the research?
Subscribe to our channel and visit ChefSteps.com for more tips, recipes, guides, and tools to help you level up in the kitchen.